Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and removing SIM or SD cards to avoid shorts. Once done, place the phone on an ESD mat and document connector positions with photos so you can reverse the process. Next, remove the back cover, battery if serviceable, and shield plates using a tri-point driver and spudger. Be gentle with ribbon cables. Apply low heat to loosen adhesive. This reduces lifting risk and keeps screws organized. These first steps set the stage for safe IC access and a successful repair. You now focus on desoldering the sound IC. Identify it from the silk screen and confirm orientation with your reference photo. Preheat the board to about 120 to 150 degrees Celsius to prevent thermal shock, then apply hot air while lifting the IC with tweezers. Once removed, thoroughly clean pads with flux and solder wick so new solder flows. Position the replacement chip carefully, tack one corner to align, then reflow evenly until all pins wet. This avoids bridges and ensures connectivity. You finish by reinstalling shields, reconnecting ribbon cables, and replacing screws in their zones to maintain chassis integrity. Once reassembled, boot the phone and run sound tests. Play audio, record voice notes, and check speaker and microphone levels. If audio is intermittent, make sure connectors are seated and ground paths restored. If still failing, probe power rails for correct voltages and check continuity from the IC to nearby passive components. This troubleshooting step isolates collateral damage versus soldering faults, so you can retest accurately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.